What's happening?
So, put in a bid for all the toys, and I lost.
The Portland Pickers! And did we do some picking today?
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
For the comics, for the instruments. I didn't win it.
And your heart was broken.
Fucked me up. Deep. Almost gave up on life. But I was like, you know what, Jake? There's gonna be more opportunities. And it came.
Christmas came early.
Christmas came early. Alright, check it out. So I took all the... I put in a bid for the exercise equipment for my friend Chaz, and $200, cleared out all the exercise equipment that was in the basement, right? There was still all of this stuff left over that the person who won the toy auction didn't take. And I was like, so what's gonna... She was like, oh, we're just gonna drop it at Goodwill. I was like, my nickname's Goodwill. Drop it at me. So that's what happened, is we loaded it up. There's tons
Got it
of...
for free?
For free. There's still sealed, you know, stuff. There's still toys. There's all kinds of electronics and goodies. There's posters.
Oh, no way.
It's not in the box, but like, just the case itself.
Who's illustrated?
It's not in there, but like, people pay up for like the original insert and dust. Also, I actually have this, and now I have the box with it. That's a value add. It completes the combo. Yeah, I think all the cool kids are wearing this, right? This is Fetch.
Seems fetch.
Oh, this clips onto... Oh, there's mold on it too. The dust.
Cute.
That hooks. It's like a side... It's like a shoulder bag. Star Trek. Chain of Attack. We are going through what is not a buyout, but a clean out. All this inventory was acquired for free, and so now I'm determining what will go to the warehouse sale for local flip, or what's going to go online. I don't know about these books. I probably should scan them. Oh yeah, there's a safe. Can't get it open. So I'm gonna find out. UFO hovercraft. I think it's just the box. Oh no, it's in there. It's super lightweight. It's from 1990. Oh! This fan attaches here. You switch it on, and then it hovers. Yikes! Doesn't have like an intention. It just kind of hovers. Yeah, this should sell nicely. The box is in really great shape, and like you were pointing out, just like, it's just a cool graphic. And it's all there. I dig it. Like, space-related stuff always sells. So, last weekend we picked up this safe. Now, it was left over after the estate sale, so it was free. So, I don't have any cost into it, so the cost is going to be getting it unlocked and finding out what goodies are inside.